shit!
Oh my god. Call 911. Call 911. I am. Oh my gosh!
Turn right onto South Beverly Drive.
Ow! Oh? Christ. What the fuck?
I've got napkins. If I can just release his cup, I'll be good. Okay, he got a straw. Sorry.
God damn it!
What the fuck? What happened?
The fuck?
Oh, shit. Oh my God.
Di bagay sa'yo nakaganon eh. Hindi, tas pag lalo na kung naka-heels ka, nakaganon ka.
Hindi naman ako nag-heels.
Oh!
Oh my God, my God, my God, my God. Oh my God.
Roughly every couple of 100 years, it takes really extreme conditions for those forests to burn.
This year, conditions have been extreme. But
ADL 2173. Press the button right there.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, why just sit there?
I heard him and I knew it was gonna.
What the fuck? My goodness.
Mom, tap your place.
Tap vô hả?
Tap your behind him.
Especially when you're driving, that doesn't help. Yeah, that's better.
I appreciate being one of the first, or to close the show, the last guest on the first show back. So, yeah, something like this historic. Something like this historic. I'll get up for this. So,
You're the man.
welcome back.
Holy shit.
Florida authorities say they had no choice but to demolish what's left. 55 apartments collapsed without warning.
He shall weigh and deliver 10 shekels of silver for her funeral. 210. If that woman should die, they shall kill his daughter. 211. If he should...